Jury deliberations are now underway in the Miles Bryant murder trial.
Yeah, jurors will decide whether the former Doraville police officer killed 16-year-old Susana Morales in Gwinnett County back in 2022.
Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the Gwinnett County Courthouse with the day's developments. Deidre?
Yeah, we are now 4 hours into jury deliberation. About 2 hours ago, the jury did come back with a question for the judge on the malice murder charge. And then we have just learned that they have requested pizza, which is an indication that they'll be deliberating well into the night, at least for a few more hours this evening, and could possibly be closer to a verdict.
He's evil. He's a monster and a predator. And he uses his badge and his uniform to do it.
Gwinnett County Prosecutor Brandon Delfont told jurors the evidence against Miles Bryant was overwhelming.
The defense wants you to believe that the defendant, some other explanation other than he cold-blooded murdered Susana. Maybe there's something else, despite not being able to point at any evidence.
The only things we know for certain, she was in the truck. I don't know why we always default to car, with Miles.
The victim's cause of death was undetermined due to the condition of her skeletal remains. Defense attorney Tracy Drake admitted Morales was with the former Doraville police officer in his vehicle that night, but said the prosecution's case is based solely on circumstantial evidence. She said Bryant lied about losing his gun in the woods because he feared for his job, and insinuated that Morales could have died of a drug overdose.
We do know that Miles left her in the woods. We don't know if she was unconscious at that time or if she was dead. We don't know that he did anything to her to cause that.
Yes, she smoked marijuana. According to the defense, apparently that's somehow justification for murder?
Delfont urged jurors to focus on the evidence presented during trial and ignore what he called the defense's attempt to distract them with unsubstantiated theories of what happened the night Morales was killed.
There's no evidence that she knew and or would ever voluntarily spend time with the defendant, talk to the defendant, have sex with the defendant, hook up with him. She is on her road, steps from her house, before she is snatched up off the street and ends up dead, completely naked.
Now, Bryant faces several charges, including felony murder and kidnapping. If convicted, he faces life in prison without the possibility of parole, although there was some indication that he might testify on his own behalf during the trial. He did not do so. We are live in Gwinnett County. Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.